how to choose who can see your future reels on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can see your future reels on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down and click on posts. Click on the last option, which is who can see your future reels, and here you can choose who can see your future reels. Public, that's mean anyone on or off Facebook, or your friends or friends except someone. Click on it and choose that one you don't want to share your future reels with, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.